How to fix Game Stick Lite 4K not working or turning on. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Game Stick Lite 4K not working or turning on. So to get started, go ahead and check the power source. So ensure the power adapter is properly connected and functioning. Try a different USB power source or wall adapter and then confirm the power cable isn't damaged or loose. After that, if that doesn't work, you need to go ahead and verify your HDMI connection. So make sure the HDMI cable is securely plugged into both the game stick and your TV. Try switching to a different HDMI port on your TV and confirm the TV input source is set to the correct HDMI channel. Now, if that doesn't work as well, the third thing you can do is to go ahead and reset the game stick. So unplug the device from power and HDMI, wait for 30 seconds, then reconnect everything. Some models may have a small reset button, press it using a pin if available. And the last option that you have to resolve the problem is to reinstall or restore firmware. If the internal SD card is corrupted, you may need to reformat and reinstall the firmware. You can find firmware backups and guides on forums like GBA Temp. Identify your device chipset to download the correct firmware. And that is how you can basically fix Game Stick Lite 4K not working or turning on.